The sport that I enjoy playing most is cricket. It is a bat and ball game played between two teams of 11 players each. Cricket, it is one of the most popular sports in our country. So every college has a year-wise cricket team, and I play for my college cricket team. And almost every student plays it in my class, and many of them are very good at it. So I often play cricket with my classmates. We normally play cricket on our college field. Our college has a huge cricket field. Even every year, a lot of cricket tournaments are organized on this field. Sometimes I also play cricket on local fields with my childhood friends. Playing cricket helps me to stay healthy physically and mentally. And also, I love making new friends, and as it is a team sport, so it gives me this opportunity to make new friends and learn the value of teamwork. Playing this sport somehow helped me to improve my academic performance.
Thank you.